This is the scenic elevator here at the Pennsylvania Convention Center in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is a Montgomery Kone with innovation. That doesn't work.
These doors are slow.
Whoa, big bump. Let's go back down to concourse because I have a train to catch.
God, those doors are awful.
That indicator used to beep. Not anymore though. This has the exact same pump that the elevator at Fashion Center in Pentagon City had before it was removed. The hall lanterns do chime, but you can barely hear them. Hi. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. And there it goes, and oh god, those doors are awful. That's it.